Hey everyone, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. We're gonna start today by making a bow, a pretty bow with for a teacher. So we're gonna use the school theme, some of these school themed ribbons. All right, let's get started. This is a 4-inch. I make sure that they're wired. And this is the wreath it's gonna go on, so I'm gonna measure about how long I want my tails. I'd say about that length. Scrunch it here in the middle. And let's see how big I want my loops. I think about that big is good. And that's about 7 inches. I don't really measure, I just eyeball it. Scrunch it again in the middle. And then take the ribbon here. We'll see if they're the same length, about, yep. There's one, the first ribbon, the first bow. You can cut it now or cut it later. I usually actually cut it now. Let's just cut it. All right. And now the next one. Do the same thing, but the same length. Scrunch it. And this loop is going to be a little bit, that's my son upstairs, you guys, sorry. This loop is going to be just a wee bit smaller than this one so that you can still see the 4-inch wreath in the back. That looks good. This is why I kind of wait towards the end with the later ribbons to cut the tails. But you see, we have two ribbons. We can stop there, but I think I want to add another one. So these are both wired, so they're easier to maneuver and handle. We're adding this one here. And let's do this tail a little bit shorter. This one's not wired, so it's harder to manipulate. So we will make our loops a little bit shorter and smaller on these. I think that's good. Okay. We'll fluff it out, don't worry. It will look better than this. Let's see if we want to add this one. This is too much. No, I think it looks too much. Okay. My son upstairs thinks he has some kind of concession stand going. He's asking my other daughter if she wants a hot dog or soda, so it's making me hungry as I make this bow. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to get a Chanel stem, fold it in half, place it towards the back of the bow, like so. Make sure everything's scrunched up here in the front. And then I take a pipe cleaner. Actually, I did this wrong. I do the Chanel stem this way. There we go. And then we pull our pipe cleaner. Before we tighten it, make sure that everything's even. We like everything how it looks. Yep, I do. And then I tighten it up as tight as I can. And our bow is now secure. Now I can go back and cut the tails. Put my bow away, put my ribbon away, I mean. And now we can fluff out our ribbon. And I'll decide once I attach this to the wreath that's gonna go on, what I wanna do with the tails. If I wanna dovetail them, cut them at an angle, or just leave them straight. But then, let me get rid of this so you can see it better. But that's your bow. I will be making a wreath that I'm going to attach this to on another video. If you like what you see, if you'd like to learn more wreath making, bow making, home decor, please like my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. I'm on there posting videos, content, new material all the time. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.